Hey folks, so let's take a quick look into our footer settings, and essentially what we have here is our footer layout, and this is broken down into two areas. We have footer area number one, where we have our Instagram feed primarily, and then footer area number two, we have all of our text. So this can be contact, social links, copyrights, etc. Now, one thing that is very important is within this area over here, you need to select the areas that you want to showcase within your footer. So we have area number 2 and area number 1 active. If you want to switch these around, simply drag and drop to the order that you prefer. Also, if you want to remove an area, you can easily do that. Alright. Next, as we scroll down, we have footer area options, and within this section you can adjust all of the settings related to that specific area. So as an example, right now we are in area number 1, where we have our Instagram feed, and as we scroll down we can make all of the adjustments. So we can choose our background color. Once again, if you want to choose a different color, make sure that this checkbox is enabled and then select the appropriate color. You can also adjust the vertical padding above and below that footer. Okay, and this is all determined in pixels, so you simply drag this around. Okay, next we have our Instagram source. So essentially, you can either manually upload several images to the following section. That way you can make sure that your images are consistent, or if you choose to have your live Instagram feed, click on Flow Instagram plugin and essentially select the link that you want your Instagram link to be connected to. You can adjust the fonts and the background colors as well. Okay, so we have a separate video tutorial on how to connect your Flow Instagram plugin, so be sure to check that out as well. Alright, so if you do decide to upload images, everything's pretty simple here. Images are uploaded the exact same way as you would to a regular gallery. So you click on Add to Gallery, and then you upload a number of images to the following section. Also, you can drag and drop them around if you wish to change out their order. Okay, as we scroll down, once again, select the Instagram link within the following section, and then also make font and color adjustments within this area. So the same process would apply to area number 2, and as you can see within this section specifically, we have two different layouts, or actually three layouts. We have one with a background image, one is pretty plain and simple, and then the other one is super simple with only copyrights, text, and that's it. So let's take a look at the more complex one with a background image. We have the footer broken down here, so we have our top title area, right area, bottom, and then left area. Okay, and then you can also choose to display the background image. Okay, so once you select this option, you upload your image, and then you can choose the image overlay color. So if you have a dark image, you may want to have a light overlay, or if you have a bright image, you want to have a darker overlay, depending on the type of image and the text color that you use as well. Now, in terms of elements color, this refers to all of the text and additional elements like social media icons, this little decorative line and stuff like that. So all of that is related to the elements color, and be sure to adjust that depending on the image and the overlay color as well. Alright, so next we have simple areas like the top title. Then you can upload your logo at the bottom. You can add some additional text. All of this is pretty simple, self-explanatory, simply adding in text, colors, enable or disable social icons, display back to top, button at the bottom of your website. So everything here is pretty simple, and I'd say self-explanatory. Okay, so the same process would apply if you decide to enable a type B. The exact same options, but maybe fewer options if we do not upload our background image. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of the footer settings. I hope everything makes sense, and I'll see you guys around later.